Hey guys, it's Hardik and you're watching installation video of Android 10 on Poco F1. First of all, go to settings. In there, select security. Tap on advanced and select encryption and credential. Now check if your phone is encrypted or not. If your phone is encrypted, then follow this step. Shut down your phone and press volume up and power button until you enter into recovery mode. We guess you know how to flash TWRP recovery. If not, there are tons of video out there on YouTube. Here, select wipe, then format data. In here, type yes. Now this will format your phone and it will no longer be encrypted. Now coming to the installation of GSI. Go to wipe, advanced wipe and select Catch Cache System Data. Now swipe to wipe. Next, go to install, select the path to where you have downloaded and copied the installation files. Check out description to download links. Here, first you need to flash vendor firmware if you want to, or you can skip this file. Next, select the files in same order as shown in the video. In case you need to root, you need to flash Magisk. Now select reboot. And there you go. You have successfully booted into GSI Pixel 3 Android 10. The first boot will take some time, so be patient. Now you can enjoy Android 10 on your Poco F1. We've already uploaded the overview of this GSI port. Kindly check out before installing the ROM. Please leave a like, comment below in case you have any doubt. Subscribe to the channel for more rad videos. Until the next video, stay rad.